Good morning, Kentwood. Today's date is
March 21st.
Friday, March 21st.
Yeah.
Hey, Amber, where are we today?
Today we are at Harbor Island Studios in Seattle.
And then there's also this guy.
He's skating around.
He's... yeah!
So if this episode of Conk TV looks a little different today, it's because we're filming here.
We're on a field trip, which is also another reason that you should join Conk TV. You get
go to
on
fun places like
fun
this.
field trips.
What?
And explore your creativity in filmmaking. Super fun.
So let's get into it.
Let's get into it.
Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please sit.
And here is your muffin. Can I get you guys anything else?
Thank you. Can I get a fish burger, please?
With a side of fries.
All right. Hey, Jerry! Can I get a fish burger with fries?
Hey, Carol. Did you hear about the Multicultural Assembly?
The what?
The Multicultural Assembly.
The what?
The Multicultural Assembly. Carol, are you listening?
I'm sorry, sweetie. I can't hear anymore.
Yeah. Well, it's gonna happen. Did you know that?
I did not.
Well, it's gonna. You have to sign up by filling out a form.
Well, good for them.
Good for them. Are you going? You should go.
Should I get my perm done today or tomorrow?
You're getting your hair blow dried, honey. You can't
Right,
get a
I
perm.
forgot.
I'm here with.
Vicky.
And what are you dressed as? Who are you dressed
I
as?
am dressed as Joseph Joestar from Battle Tendency, which is the second part of JoJo's Bizarre Adventure.
Okay, and what's your favorite thing about Comic-Con?
You get to dress up and just walk like that all day, and you get stickers. There's a bunch of stickers that you don't usually get in regular stores, right? You have to make your own stickers all the time. I bought about 5 sticker sheets already in the span of 30 minutes. It's like gambling in here if you don't know how to spend your money. That's all.
I'm here with.
Caden.
And what are you dressed up as? Who are you dressed up as?
I'm dressed up as a OC from the game Stray, which is a cat game.
And what's your favorite part about Comic-Con?
The artist, seeing all the people. I'm excited about buying people's stuff.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
What are you dressed up as?
I am dressed up as SCP-035.
Okay, and what's your favorite part about Comic-Con?
My favorite thing about Comic-Con is just going out and seeing all the different artists and creativity, and it's just a great place for everybody to just come together and like geek out about their favorite things.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Oh my God, did you know that you could earn work credit? Stop by room 156 for Office B and check your bulletin for more details.
Brandon, will you go to Tola with me?
Yeah, when is it?
March 28th at 7 p.m. in the Kentwood Main Gym.
Awesome, let's go, let's go.
Okay. March Madness is coming to the Kentwood Library.
Make sure to vote every single day in March on your favorite book.
Stop in and vote in the green box on the circular desks.
I'm Imani from Conk TV, and I'm Celia, and this is our St. Patrick's Day interviews. Hi, I'm Celia from Conk TV. Who am I here with?
Lucas Trent.
The question I'm going to be asking you is, where was St. Patrick's born?
In the Irish area. Louisiana? What?
It's Britain. I'm Imani from Conk TV, and I'm here with Heaven Braxton. And the question that I have for you today is, which city is known for having one of the largest St. Patrick's Day parades in the world?
I'm just gonna say New York.
It's actually Dublin, Ireland.
Are you interested in joining the military?
Are you a 11th or 12th grader that still meets your graduation pathway?
Kentwood High School is hosting the ASVAB testing on March 31st.
Check your bulletin for more information. You want to join the military. You want to join the military.
If you're looking for someone to write your breakup songs about, baby, I'm perfect. And baby, we're perfect. If you like causing trouble up in hotel rooms, and if you like having secret little rendezvous, if you like to do the things you know that we shouldn't do, then baby, I'm perfect. Baby, I'm perfect for you. And if you like driving with the windows down, and if you like going places we can't even pronounce, if you like to do whatever you've been dreaming about, baby, you're perfect. Baby, you're perfect. So let's start right now.
That's all for today, Kentwood.
It's great to be alive. It's great to be a car.